Hello everyone, this is Vandita. Welcome to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to tell you about this pattern. This is reversible pattern and there is no need to explain the beauty of this pattern. So let's begin our video. For this video, I'm taking this 4-ply wool. With this, I'm taking 6 number crochet, which is 3.5 mm. Okay, we will start to make a slip knot. Or you can start like this also. Okay, start to make foundations chain. I am making 40 chains for this pattern. Okay, I have made my all 40 chains. Skip very first chain, and from the second chain we will start to make double crochets. We will make 8 double crochets. Continue. 3, 4. These are 4 double crochets. Continue, and we'll make 4 more double crochets. Continue. There will be 8 total. After 8 double crochets, make 2 chains, 1 and 2. Now skip 2 chains, 1 and 2. In third chain, make 1 double crochet like this. Make 2 chains, 1 and 2. Skip 2 chains, 1 and 2. In next chain, make 1 double crochet like this. And now make 12 more double crochets. Continue. They will be total 13 double crochets. See, I have made my 13 double crochets total. Now make 2 chains, 1 and 2. Skip 2 chains, 1 and 2. In the next chain or in the third chain, make 1 double crochet. Now make 2 chains, 1 and 2. Skip 2 chains, 1, 2. In the next chain, make 1 double crochet. And we should have 7 more chains and make them with double crochets. See, in last make 1 chain. Here my first round has been completed now. In starting, I made 8 double crochets, 2 chains, skip 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, skip 2 chains and 13 double crochets, 2 chains, skip 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, skip 2 chains and in last 8 double crochet like our starting. Now in last 1 chain and turn over. In second round, we will make 6 double crochets. Continue. 1 double crochet in first chain, 1 double crochet in the next chain. Like this, we will make 6 double crochets. Continue. Like this. After 6 double crochets, make 2 chains, 1 and 2. Now skip these 2 chains and in this chain on this double crochet, we will make 5 double crochets in the same chain. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, like this. Now make 2 chains, 1 and 2, and skip these 2 chains. From the third chain we will start to make double crochets, and we'll make total 9 double crochets. Continue like this. After 9 double crochets, make 2 chains, skip these 2 chains. In this chain or on this double crochet, we'll make 5 double crochet in the same chain, like this fan. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now make 2 chains, 1 and 2. Skip these 2 chains, and from the third chain we'll make double crochets, and we should have left only 5 chains in last. So we'll make 5 double crochets, and there will be 6 total double crochets, like our this side. And here my second round is also completed now, and this will look like this. And last, chain 1 and turn over, and we'll start our third round. In third round we'll make 4 double crochets. Continue. 1. After 4 double crochets, make 2 chains, 1 and 2. Now skip these 2 chains, and in the first double crochet of these 5 double crochets fan, in the first chain we will make 5 double crochets. Continue or a fan of 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3 and 5. Like this. And now, without any chain, without any double crochet, we will make a second fan of 5 double crochet in the last of this chain of this fan. This is the last chain of this fan, or this we can say the 5th chain of this fan. Will make a fan of 5 double crochet in this chain. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, like this. Now make 2 chains, 1 and 2, and skip these 2 double crochets or 2 chains, and from the third chain we'll make double crochets, and we will make 5 double crochets. Continue. I have made 1, and we'll make 4 more double crochets to complete these 5 double crochets. See, this will look like this, and after 5 double crochets we will repeat the same pattern. Here also we'll make 2 chains, skip 2 chains. In the first chain of this fan we'll make a fan of 5 double crochets. Okay, after this our next fan of 5 double crochets will be here in the last of this chains. In the last chain we'll make a fan of 5 double crochets. Like this, and in last make 2 chains and skip 2 chains or 2 double crochets and make 4 double crochets. Continue in last, like our this side. Here my 3 rounds has been completed now, and this will look like this. Okay, in last chain 1 and turn over. In 4th round we'll make only 2 double crochets in starting, 1 and 2, and now make 2 chains, skip these 2 chains, and again we'll repeat the same process to make fans. In the first chain of this fan we'll make a fan of 5 double crochets, 1, 2 and 5. Now make the next fan in this space a fan of 5 double crochets, 1, 2 and 5, like this. And our third fan will be in the last chain of this fan, fan of 5 double crochets and 5. And we have 3 fans of 4 double crochets in this round. After this, make 2 chains and skip 2 chains and make 1 double crochet in the third chain or in the middle chain of these 5 chains, or on the middle double crochet on these 5 double crochets, like this. And we'll repeat the same process to complete this block also. Make 2 chains, make a fan of 5 double crochets in the first chain of this fan, we'll make second fan into this space, and third fan will be in the last chain of this fan of 5 double crochets, like this. Now in last make 2 chains, skip 2 chains, and we have left 2 chains, and we'll make 2 double crochet in the last, and chain 1 and turn over. Here my 4 rounds has been completed now, and we are in the middle of this pattern. Okay, in 5th round, this time we'll make 4 double crochets, continue 2 double crochets on these 2 double crochets and 2 double crochets in this space, 1 and 2, like this. Now make 2 chains, 1 and 2. After 2 chains we'll make a fan of 5 double crochet into this space, 1, like this, and make second fan of 5 double crochet into this space in the next space, fan of 5 double crochets, like this. Now make 2 chains, 1 and 2, and make 2 double crochet in this space, 1 and 2, third double crochet in the next chain, and 2 more double crochet in the next space. They are total 5 double crochets, like this. We will repeat the same. Make 2 chains, a fan of 5 double crochets into this space, like this, and make second fan of 5 double crochet into this space, like this, and make 2 chains and 2 double crochets in this space, 1 and 2, and 2 more double crochets in next 2 chains. They are total 4 double crochets like this side. And now chain 1 and turn over. 5 rounds has been completed here. In 6th round, we'll make in 4 chains 4 double crochets. 4 double crochets continue. We'll increase 2 more double crochets in this round. There will be total 6 double crochets. They are 4 and 2 more in this space. 5 and 6. They are 6 total. Okay, after 6 double crochets, make 2 chains and 1 fan of 5 double crochet in this space. 1 like this, and make 2 chains, 1 and 2, and make total 9 double crochets here. 2 in this space, 5 on these double crochets, and 2 in this space. They will be total 9 double crochets. 2, 5 more, and 2 in this space. See, like this. Now make 2 chains, 1 and 2, and I'm repeating the same pattern here. I'm making a fan of 5 double crochet into this space. Now 2 chains, 1 and 2, and make 2 double crochets into this space. 1 and 2, and make more 4 double crochets. They will be total 6 like this side. And in last chain 1 and turn over. In 7th round, this time we'll make 8 double crochets continue, 6 chains in these 6 chains, and 2 will be in this space. 6 double crochets, 2 into this space, 7 and 8. They are total 8 double crochets like our first round. Now make 2 chains and skip 2 chains. In 3rd chain, make 1 double crochet, and now make 2 chains, skip 2 chains, and now make 2 double crochets into this space, 1 and 2, and make these 9 double crochets continue. They are 11, and make 2 double crochet into the next space. Now they are total 13 double crochets. Now make 2 chains, skip 2 chains. In 3rd chain, make 1 double crochet, 2 chains, skip 2 chains. In this space, make 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, and make 6 more double crochets continue. There will be 8 double crochets total, and chain 1. And my pattern has been completed now, as you can see. And after this, I am on the first round where from I started, and after this I will repeat the same pattern to make the next blocks like this. Okay, I hope you like this video, so please don't forget to give a like my video and subscribe my channel for more videos, and share with your friends and family. Thank you. Keep watching.